Let's learn this new step, a couple new steps. The next step I want you to introduce is called cuddle. So you go like this. You're gonna go backward. You go 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. Then you're gonna cuddle to me. 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. Now from this leg, just go forward, forward with me. Go walk, 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 tap, walk, 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 tap, step, 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 tap, step, 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 tap. So one more time. Let's do a couple basics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a new step. So let's try with the music. I'm just gonna randomly combine all the steps together and see if you can follow. Okay? It's gonna be random order, my love. It's a challenge, yes. But you can do it. Let's do it. Random order.